Okay, I get a lot of stuff, so I'm going to try some things out with you right now. So let's get to it. So Dermalogica came out with Pore Screen. You're supposed to shake before each use. You apply to your face after moisturizing, and it can be worn alone or underneath makeup. And it is an SPF 40. It's supposed to be blurring with a hint of sunscreen. So let's see how this... Okay, well what's nice is it doesn't leave like an ashy, you know, any skin color can wear this, which is good. It's not very moisturizing, but it's also thin, so it feels nice. And it is blurring. And SPF 40, honey. Putting it in the car, honey. Okay, this is a new brand. This is Iota Body. I think a lot of people forget that your face and your neck aren't the only parts of your body you need to take care of. So this is actually a SUPERPLANT body serum. Fragrance-free, and it has every vitamin, peptides, postbiotics, prebiotics. I mean, vitamin B12, C, D, E, K, B3. So it literally does, oh wow. Now this is what I'm talking about. Putting this on right after you get out of the shower. They also have this gorgeous wash, which I will be using. Here's a super vitamin body wash. So I'm really into this, and it doesn't smell like anything. So for those of you that are sensitivo, this is gonna be good. Okay, I love this brand. Not only do I love this brand because the name is Mad Hippie, but I also love this brand because, look at the packaging. Also love this brand because everything is good for you. And it's a really good price point. Oh, this is amazing. This is their corrective peptide serum. It has 17 actives, including stuff that I can't read. But it feels like, God, for a serum, that feels like amazing. Remember, this is all cruelty-free. And then I'm gonna use their face cream, which has peptides in it, and it also has acai and argan oil. Let's just see how gorgeous this is. Oh, I mean, this feels like $1 million, you guys. This is an amazing line. I love this line so much. They also have a vitamin C, which I'm about, and then this daily protective serum, which has an SPF 30 in it. It's 80 minutes water resistant and fragrance free. So I will be using that too, and I will get back to you on that, but I am so obsessed with this line. It's so fun. Mad Hippie. Okay, I'm kind of obsessed with this line, one size. This is Secure the Sweat Mattifying. It's supposed to dry till dawn primer. So here is the primer. Let's try it. Turn it around. Pop the top. Pop. Ooh, dipsy do. My bad. Okay, I'm gonna actually put this on with my hands and see. So this is for all of you super oily peeps out there. This is supposed to be great. I'm actually gonna put this right in my kit. I can already tell that I love this. Yeah, I do. So this is, you won't sweat it off. It's long lasting, and it keeps all of the, 94% agreed that they no longer sweat off makeup. Primer provides a long lasting matte finish, and makeup stays locked in place. It's about to be summer, so I recommend getting some of this because if you're anything like me, the sweat just eats all the makeup off. So excited. So Jones Road came out with these. They're neutral shades. This is how many shades they come in. I'm just gonna open one and show you guys. This is the Cocoa Rose, matte finish. Cocoa Rose, pretty. Cocoa Rose. So they're like little lip balms. They're not overly hydrating. They're just like a lip tint, like a diet lipstick. You know what I mean? It smells, there's not much of a smell, which I appreciate. And it's a really pretty texture, and they've done it again. They also sent some gum with it. Are you guys in the gum business too? Mint flavor, chewing gum. Okay, so Dalton, I love this brand. They came out with a very interesting under eye corrector. This corrects everything. It comes in amber, which is warm honey to brighten tan, rich skin tones, and then rose quartz, which is cool pink to brighten and work on fair and medium. So they sent me the rose quartz. So I'm just gonna put a little bit under here. Oh, wow. Wow, you don't even need that much, but it gives you that brightening effect. And then it's supposed to be like smoothing, and then use a little bit of this pink powder. Whoa, and it's supposed to be smoothing, blurring, brightening, and color correcting. Pretty. Wow. Dalton did it again. I have been hearing a lot about this brand. It's called MACRENE Actives. This is a tinted moisturizer. It's supposed to be a high performance tinted moisturizer. Okay, sorry, my nails are just not conducive to opening packages. Okay, let's get here's the bottle. Very pretty. Okay, we got it out. This color is light medium, which I feel like I am a light medium, but this might be a little too light. But I really like the texture of it. I do think this is too light for me, so I would be a medium. Okay, so I put it on the rest of my face, and it might be, let's open, here, I'm gonna open up the other color, because this might have just been the, I went running this weekend, I got a little tan, what can I say? So I might be graduating to the medium. So let's graduate to the medium together. Okay, it's definitely a little bit darker, but this is a tinted moisturizer. Oh yeah, I think I'd have to take it off for you to really see, but yeah, that's more my color. So I am a medium. This is a really pretty color. I mean, a really pretty luminous finish. I don't know if you can see it. It's really pretty, you guys. It's very moisturizing. I can add a little bit of highlighter. And this is how you can see, like, if you go to your true colors, right? Like, I'm pretty pale. I am more of a light medium, but you add a little bit of blush or bronzer, and you can see, like, I can even just go up here to my temples. It warms everything up to the point where you can still use it. Gorge. But I'm definitely a medium, but I really like this. I'm gonna use it. Follow me for more fun in the makeup world. And if you're into the products, you can click the link below.